All right, a lot going on for you this morning as we talk about financial literacy and good things happening. Welcome back. There is a new program working to help families build a successful financial future in Hartford. And here to give us more information about all of this, Adrian Cochran, the Chief Executive Officer of the YWCA. Hey. Look at that. I love that. Of the Hartford region here. And Marissa Widener, the Chief Corporate Responsibility Officer from Webster Bank. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're in a good mood.
Yes,
Today is a good day.
Today's a great day.
Marissa, talk about this overarching initiative. What's it all about?
So at Webster Bank, we have a finance lab initiative, and it's part of our community investment strategy that we launched a couple of years ago. The finance lab initiative partners with various nonprofits in specific designated communities. So let's talk about today as an example. In Hartford, we decided we wanted to have a finance lab initiative. We wanted to make sure that we have the opportunity to educate young people, people of all ages, but it was originally targeted at young people, and in this case it's going to be young people and women, to make sure that they have the tools and the resources that they need to make financially sound decisions and empower them for the future to have financial success.
Adrian, the YWCA is such a champion in our community. It means so much to so many, right?
Yes.
Talk about this specific effort and what it means to the individuals you're serving day in and day out.
Well, again, it's wonderful, starting with even our youngest children in our early learning centers with piggy banks. You know, here are some coins, and we want you to save some by putting it in the piggy bank, and if you want to spend this on something, okay, all the way up to our young women and our leadership corps, same principle. Learning about banked versus unbanked, learning about saving, learning about credit cards and those fees, learning about how to make your money work best for you, and then our career women, some of whom will have careers for the first time in their lives, and they have more money than they've ever made, and maybe they aren't sure exactly how to spend it. That's part of what we want to help them do. And this finance lab and this support from Webster Bank is really going to help that tremendously.
And Marissa, anyone who knows our show knows we love to celebrate the good. A huge announcement and some big money, kind of putting your money where your mouth is here. What's happening today?
Absolutely. We have a launch, the official launch of the YWCA Webster Finance Lab, and we'll be presenting a check for $100,000 to the Y. We're very excited about that, and it's just the beginning. There's so much more to come.
Adrian, we like to talk about real people on the show and transformational opportunities that touch hearts and change lives.
Yes.
At the end of the day, for somebody who's the beneficiary of this opportunity, this resource, how is it a game changer? What does it mean?
So first of all, you're empowered. And when we talk about empowered, it's not what we do for you, it's what we help you do for yourself. You're being educated. You're being given an opportunity to learn about skills and techniques you might not otherwise be aware of. Again, it's about how to make whatever amount of money you earn work best for you and your family. That's what that's going to do for us. It's going to allow us to solidify a program that we've been doing for a number of years on really somewhat limited funding, now to really put that oomph to it that's going to allow us to expand and do even more to help the people of our communities.
On this show, we talk about people helping out the way they know how. You folks have the resources. Thank you for stepping up and doing what you're doing here. To the young folks and any folks at the YWCA, I can see you from my apartment window.
Yes.
I can see your sign out my window each and every morning. I know you're doing great work out there. Good luck with all of this, and keep us posted on your progress.
Thank you
I'll just say one thing.
Yeah, go for it.
To say it as simple as this, one student said the finance lab gave them the opportunity to learn how to make their money make money.
And
it's as simple as that.
And that is what is it all about. Thank you so much for being here, folks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Matt.